SpaceX latest Starship test flight ends with another explosion. According to reporters, almost 2 months after an explosion escalated, framing over the tanks, and the SpaceX launched another massive Starship rocket on Thursday. However, contact was lost just minutes into the test flight as the spacecraft and broke apart. This time, wreckage from the explosion was seen falling from the sky over Florida. It was unclear whether the spacecraft safe system had activated to endanger it. So definitely that is it. So I don't know what, like, all the time it's exploding, and I like the fact that he's determined and not giving up.